Well, a man and his dog, they come o'er the hill. They went to the pub and they drank his fill, and his cash ran out, as it often will. They louped the bar and they robbed the till, and the police came to take him away. But when they tried to arrest his dog and all, well, they threw them back against the wall. They got them bleeding, they ran away. Then the SWAT team came with their wee bitty hats, chased them both into a block of flats, and they posted up the front and the back. They fired their guns with a rat-a-tat-tat-tat, and the man and his dog, they shouted doon. Oh, the bairns that live aboon, and I'll tell you, man, I'll burn this whole place doon, and all their deaths will be on your croon. His dog spread over the nation, causing media speculation, and a line set up for further information as regarding the hostage situation. And the end drove up in a great big car, the chief negotiator, and he said to the man, come on back to the bar, we've just some time, let me buy ye a jar. And the man and his dog, they come walking out. The SWAT team, they began to shoot, and a hail of bullets, the head to the foot. The man dropped down and there was nae doubt, and the man and his dog lay down in the snow. The dog tried to give the man a paw, and the folks stood round, didn't like what they saw. They turned their backs and they walked away. Oh, my dee, my daddy, oh, my dee, I did the